1631 due to government a decline પડતી આવે એના લાઈફમાં. And once again in 1636 there was a rose up, or there was once again he come back in his life, and due to the his one of the uncles, unmarried uncles died, and he can left the heritage of the properties in the name of the Cromwell. And after the Cromwell become the rich person, he take interest, he can come to the contact with the Puritan priest, and gradually he take interest in the Puritanism. Then he in 1640 he become the MP, and he can join in the British Parliament. He become the, here we discuss about the life of the Oliver Cromwell's later part, because then we can revise that Oliver Cromwell is the, you can say that last one was that he was born in 25th April 1599 in the families of minor Huntingdon. He got his school education in the free schools, and he got the college education due to his father's death. In 1670, he returned to his home, Huntingdon, to help his widow mother and sister. Then he died on 3rd September in 1658. Age that was the Puritan age. Speciality, he was the English military leader. He fought the 2 military war. Second, he was a political leader because he became the MP twice in British Parliament. Third, he also became the Lord Protector of the Commonwealth of England, Scotland, Ireland in 1653 to 58. His life, and we discuss about that. He born and he can married in 1620 to Elizabeth Brownshier. In 1631, the decline in his life, whole of his property was captured by the government of Huntingdon Domain, and he becomes the homeless, and he do his life as 5 years as a farmer. And in 1636, the once again rose up, his uncles inherited all his wealth to him. Now friend, we look at that his contribution. His contribution, he plays a decisive role in the 2 civil war of England. Charles I, after the death of Charles I, his son Charles II tried to be a king. He invaded or he attacked on England twice, and there was the war in 1650 and 1651. The 2 civil wars, 1650 and 1651. The Charles II was in the place of his father. He wanted to be the king. That's why he, with the help of Spain, he can attack on the England in 1650. But under the military leadership of the Oliver Cromwell, Charles II was defeated. Later on, once after, he can attack or invade in England in 1651. But here, once again, he was defeated under the military leadership of Oliver Cromwell in 1651. And he played a leading role in the trial and execution. Trial is a case, and execution is a saja of the Charles I, the father of Charles II. We study the Charles II. His father was Charles I, can rule, and he was the king in England. But what happened that people and parliament were dissatisfied the leadership on the rule of Charles I. That's why they put a trial in the parliament, and in this trial Charles I was sentenced or execution of the death. And to execute, or the most important role played by the Charles I, the most important role played by the Oliver Cromwell. And in 1649, Charles I was executed by the Parliament, and one people were invited Oliver Cromwell as on the throne of England, and he became the protector of England, of Commonwealth England, not only England but Scotland and Ireland in 1553 to 1658. And during that time, in the exiled place, Charles to know about his father's death, and he can to regain the throne of England. He can attack on England through the help of the army of Spain in 1650, but he was defeated in the hand of Oliver Cromwell military leadership. And second in 1651, once again he tried to recapture the throne of England, but once again he defeated in the hand of under the leadership, military leadership of Oliver Cromwell. And Oliver Cromwell played a vital role to establish the Puritanism in England, because he can help the Puritan. And what is a Puritan? Strongly belong to the religious ethics and religious rituals, and that's why Oliver Cromwell closed the festivals and closed the theatre. He belonged to the ethical life. That's why he can stop these parties, fun fairs and theatre, because he belonged to that. This kind of the activity draw us to the, we can say that, a negative, he can create a negative force in our us. And he was belonging, he can put the condition to people regularly visited the church, and up to that he can rule over that, and he played the vital role. And he here can say that people become too tired under his rules, and he was died in 3rd September 1658, and people was, due to his time, that people was say that after the restoration period in 1660 to 1700, people was drug out the body of the Cromwell and hanged up. After his death, Oliver Cromwell never get the reputed, not get the fame. He was become the victim of the people of the hatred, and due to this hatred, during the restoration period, people was dig out, and that was carried Khodikari, and even then he was died. His body was hanged up, and at that, but he's contributed to establish and to play, and he can see the people awareness of the kings and power of the parliament. He established the power of parliament, and he can say that due to this attempt, the parliament in 1688, parliament passed the rules to decide the make or unmake king is in the hand of the parliament, but not in the hierarchy. राजा राखो के न राखो ये पार्लियामेंट हाथ में सत्ता गई, नहीं कि वारसागत राजा बनी सके. And this was the greatest contribution of Oliver Cromwell in the field of England, in the history of England. Okay, I asked the one question. Write down the partiality of Oliver Cromwell. Thank you. Goodbye.